Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about an everyday product that I'm sure most of you are familiar with or use yourself. It's Arm & Hammer Pure Baking Soda for baking, cleaning, and deodorizing. So just a little bit about something that happened to me last night. I realized that I was out of toothpaste. I had been away for like 2 weeks and I was totally freaking out because I'm like one of those people that needs to brush my teeth, and I got home so late that I was like, I'm not going out to the store to go buy toothpaste right now. So I had this in my house, Arm & Hammer Pure Baking Soda for baking, cleaning, and deodorizing, and it made an excellent toothpaste. I actually mixed this with peppermint oil that I had, water, and coconut oil, and it did a great job. So just one of the many things you could use Arm & Hammer baking soda for. I leave this open, so I normally just leave it in my fridge and it helps the fridge smell fresh and clean. I had it open like this for the 2 weeks that I was gone, and I came home and my fridge was still smelling clean and everything. Of course, you could bake with it and cookies, stuff like that. You can clean with it. It's just a wonderful, wonderful product. I've been using this for years. So has my family. And then I guess I got this, like I always buy like a couple of them. So I guess I bought this like before the holidays. So I guess they were donating part of, it says your purchase helps fund a donation to America's Second Harvest, the nation's food bank network. So that's nice. They were donating to an organization. Join Arm & Hammer in helping to provide nutritious food to more than 2.5 or 25 million Americans in need. Your purchase helps fund a $50,000 donation to America's Second Harvest, the nation's food bank network. And I remember my cousin always using this, like even in her toothpaste. Like a lot of times toothpaste already has baking soda in it, but she would mix extra baking soda in her toothpaste, and she always like swore that that made her teeth even cleaner. Change every 3 months. When you put it in the fridge, you just leave it open like a little bit in the back of the fridge, and I'm telling you, it really helps with like odors and stuff like that. So for household deodorizing, you could put it in garbage and diaper pails, litter boxes, which I have because I have my kitty cat, which you could see her staring in the background. You can put it on carpets, dishwasher between uses, disposals and drains for household cleaning, using the kitchen. Scrubs away soils and grease without scratching on sinks, bathtubs, counters, microwaves, ovens, pots and pans, refrigerators, cutting boards, coffee pots, and teapots. Visit armandhammer.com for more information and special offers. Amount and serving of baked food ingredient is sodium bicarbonate, and then it has the nutrition facts listed on the back. Serving size is 1/8 of a teaspoon. Servings per container 806. Total fat 0 grams. Sodium 150 grams. Total carbs 0 grams. Protein 0 grams. Manufactured by Arm & Hammer, division of Church & Dwight Company in Princetown, New Jersey. Have a great, I know my mom has actually, I think this is the chocolate chip cookie. Is this a chocolate chip cookie? Usually they have chocolate, yes, with the walnuts. This is the one that she always made growing up. My favorite chocolate chip cookies with walnuts. Now I tell her not to make them as much for me because I'm like trying to not eat so bad, but once in a while she'll make them and they're delicious, and this was the recipe she always used. So selectable cookie recipe, makes about 8 dozen 2-inch cookies. They're basically chocolate chip cookies with a little, she would put walnuts, but you could use peanuts, walnuts, or pecans as long as you're not allergic. Great recipe, just a little added bonus on the back of here. The drug facts, active ingredient, sodium bicarbonate, purpose antacid, relieves heartburn, acid indigestion, sour stomach, upset stomach due to these symptoms. So this is literally like such a great product. Like if you anywhere, it doesn't matter who you are, you should just have this in the house always. So many multiple uses. This isn't even in, it doesn't even say anything about brushing your teeth with it in here, but that's just one of the things I've always used it for, and trust me, it does help with upset stomach too. Warnings: ask a doctor before use if you have a sodium restricted diet. Ask a doctor or pharmacist before use if you are taking a prescription drug. Stomach warning: to avoid serious injury, do not take until powder is completely dissolved. It is very important not to take this product when overly full from food or drink. So fractions: add half a teaspoon to half glass of water every 2 hours or as directed by a physician. Dissolve completely in water. Do not take more than the following amounts in 24 hours. 7.5 teaspoons, 3.5 teaspoons if you are over 60 years. Do not use the maximum dosage for more than 2 weeks. This is a 1 pound in this box. And I'm just going to show you something else that I bought at the store. Arm & Hammer. This is perfect too, but it keeps like falling, which is like a little bit annoying. It has a suction cup on the back. So this is an Arm & Hammer. We change it every 30 days, and you just leave it in the fridge, and it cleans, you know, it helps neutralize odors and stuff like that. But I did notice that it does keep falling, and that's driving me a little bit crazy. I don't know why. The suction cup's not that strong. Yeah, I leave this in my fridge, and every 30 days I'll just get a new one, and whatever. If it does fall, then I just like leave it flat on one of the counters. Not a big deal. But ladies and gentlemen, that's Arm & Hammer baking soda. Hope you guys use it for all of its wonderful uses, and I hope you love it. Thanks for watching.